Hi everyone, I'm Madonna here from New Leaf Natural Therapies. My tip for the day about HCG is to get a body composition analysis. I know I've said this before, but it's really important. Had a client in this week and she's been doing weight loss with another practitioner for a long time, and a lot of practitioners get into that habit of thinking energy in, energy out, and that's their only way of thinking. They look at the total weight and then they pick on you if your weight isn't going down. I personally find this really frustrating because it's just been proven not to be true. There are so many things that go on behind the scenes. Our genetics and DNA. Have we actually switched on our obesity genes? What is our stress doing? Are we releasing cortisol, adrenaline, noradrenaline? These are all pro-inflammatory, pro-obesity hormones. What are our hormones doing? Our estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, are they being balanced? Are we releasing our cortisol at the end of each day? Are we sleeping well? Are we working night shift? What are the triggers that are actually causing us to put on weight? So when I did a VLA on this particular woman, and I had a look at her fat mass, muscle mass, hydration, and she had about 8.5 litres of excess fluid in her body that was diluting toxins. So 8.5 litres. Now, this isn't about going and getting a diuretic. If you take a diuretic but you're not detoxing, it means you'll be skinnier because you'll have less fluid, but you'll be more toxic in the cells that you've got there. So you've got to detoxify while you're taking diuretics, otherwise you will never be able to get off them. That's just a real challenge for a lot of people. We sort of looked at the muscle mass, muscle quality. They were both really low. So she potentially has under muscle mass by about 10 kilos in her body, as well as only having about 65% muscle quality. So these are all things that mean when you're trying to lose weight, especially on the HCG, the brown fat contains mitochondria. So, and mitochondria is a building block of muscle mass. So therefore your body might be releasing this brown fat and your body is sucking it up to try to build your muscle mass at the same time. And this is where people feel frustrated. They're weighing themselves every day, but they're not losing weight. So therefore the frustration happens. When you're getting body compositions done regularly, however, you actually see these changes in the inflammation, so therefore you can actually feel the difference. So anyway, find me on Facebook, New Leaf Natural Therapies. I've got a HCG site. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Love you. Bye.